The plug is coming out of his asshole. Oh my god. That's one. Number 2 is on his way. There you go. This game, guys. I love it. I want more.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, goodbye. I can answer. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that was awkward.
Hello.
Hello. Do you know me?
Do you know me?
I know you.
Yeah, I'm famous, bitch. Woo!
Do you?
Yes.
No.
No. Yes.
Yes.
No.
No. Yeah, I said yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Fucking hell, I have to click no. No.
No.
Yes.
Fucking asshole. And then he walks away. And then he waddles away. Until the very next day. Ba, 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 ba. Do you love me? Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know. I think you love me.
Love me.
I don't love you enough.
You don't love me enough? You don't think you love me? Are you sure?
Sure?
I think you don't love me.
I think. Hug me. Hug me.
I'm not sure.
Come on. Do you listen to me?
I do.
You do. Surely not. You gotta hug me, bitch. Yes? No.
Yes.
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 No.
God damn it. You're making me angry.
I think I love you.
Okay, I'm just gonna do all the first ones because I'm getting tired of this.
Me.
I know I love you.
You.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I do love
I do love you.
I don't.
You don't. It hurts.
I'm leaving.
This is so stupid. Whoever made this game, what the fuck is wrong with you? Oh god, we gotta pull them together. Pull them together like they're big twin brothers. I think they're twin brothers. They kind of look alike, you know? Oh yes, there you go. Oh, that's so cute. They're hugging. Oh no. Uh-oh. 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 This is weird. This is getting really weird. Oh god, we gotta put that one in there. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Time for the threesome. Oh. Oh shit. This is weird. This is getting really weird. Grab my hand. Yes, John. Grab my hand.